To steam your vagina. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onana. If you're new to my channel, this is a lifestyle reviews, DIY, anything goes channel. I'm a mother of 3, a wife, a sister, a friend. So you know what? You never know the gems that I'll be dropping on this channel. So if you're new, thank you so much for joining. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you so much. Currently going through a healthy smile journey. I currently have braces. If you haven't already checked out some of my braces videos, please go ahead and check them out. Without further ado, let's get started. You probably joined me today because you saw the title and you're like, I want to know what Onana is talking about. We're talking about female hygiene, how to take care of your hoo-ha down there, your vajayjay, okay? We are talking about vajayjay. So if you have a vajayjay, or you know somebody that got a vajayjay, you need to sit down, take a seat, take a pen, write some notes down, honey. Because this is how I take care of, the smelly problems down there. Now, before we start this video, I just want to say, if you're watching me right now and you're telling me that down there don't have a smell sometimes, you is lying. You are lying. Down there, as females, we know that sometimes the funk down there, especially when you haven't taken a shower all day, especially when you know you've done the adult stuff and you didn't take a shower, trust me, we all will go through the smelly problems or the smelly funk down there, okay? There's so many different ways that we as women can empower each other to take care of our female friend, our best friend down over here, okay? So in this video, I am showing you some of my tips and tricks on how I take care of my vagina down there. Say it with me, vagina. So today we are talking about vagina health and how to take care of our friend down there. Okay. I'm just gonna state the obvious. First things first, always make sure you take a shower. You need to shower. You have to shower. Even if you don't want to, you need to shower because water is your best friend. You gotta make sure that you're taking showers at least twice a day. And just so you can smell fresh. Second thing that I want to say is cotton underwear, okay? You need to wear some cotton underwears. If you're too bougie, like, who wants to wear granny underwears? That's what's going to help your vagina down there breathe. You want it to breathe. You don't want it to be stuffed up in, tight clothing every single day. That's how down there starts to have a little funk all the time because it's not breathing. Little Nana needs to breathe, okay? So we're gonna call our vagina little nanas right now, just only in this video. Cotton panties will help down there breathe. It's comfortable enough for little Nana down there because little Nana wants to breathe, right? So you wanna stay away from silky underwears, especially if you have to be on the road all day. Get yourself cotton underwears, the granny ones, because nobody can see it, okay? And your little Nana will appreciate ones. You need the cotton ones. You need the cotton ones because your JJ needs to breathe. Let's help it breathe, okay? Stay away from wearing thongs all the time unless you have to. There are certain outfits that you wear that don't really require you to wear a thong, but you feel like, oh, I like wearing thongs. Yeah, but like little Nana needs to breathe. Like, can we let her breathe a little bit, please? Thank you. Yes. And also one of the things that I hate the most is one of those meshy underwears, like those mesh polyester underwears. They are sexy. Those things make you smell. Even though it has holes in them, depending on if you're a sweaty type of person, there's some people that sweat down there for a long period of time during the day will make you smell. And that's just facts, okay? Another trick that I also wanted to show you guys is a toothbrush, okay? What the hell are you doing with a toothbrush when we're talking about vaginal health? Well, let me tell you what I do with this toothbrush, okay? Now, this is a new toothbrush. This is new, but I have another toothbrush that I do use. What I do with this is, when you're in the shower bathing, you use your hand down there, clean, clean, clean. You have your shower head, you're cleaning it, everything is going well. Sometimes, just sometimes, we might be in a hurry. Sometimes you might miss a spot. Don't tell me you've never missed a spot. I miss a spot where you do okay, we gotta go back. Okay, we do that. Let's be real. We're dropping some realness on this channel. So you're there doing the showering thing, you're showering, and then you fold the labia minora and the labia majora the clit is in the middle. You want to make sure that these areas are well taken care of, especially when you know that we can't put anything inside, okay? You shouldn't put anything inside there. You just want to focus on the outer areas. That's where it stinks the most. That's where there's a lot of funk, okay? You're a woman, I'm a woman. Comment down below and let me know if that's the truth. I am talking the truth. Sensitive baby soap, okay? You put a little bit on here because when it's sensitive, when it's for sensitive skin, there's no fragrance in there. So it's perfect for down there. You just put a little bit. It's almost like you're brushing your vagina. Are we brushing our vagina? Let's brush our vagina. Why not? Let's brush our vagina. So you put a little bit of soap, just a little bit of soap, and then you go in. You go in, honey, but make sure that the toothbrush says soft. It has to be very, very soft because you guys already know down there is super delicate. So it has to be very, very soft. And then you kind of just go in between the folds, open the folds, brush, brush, brush. Can you see it? Brush, hold on. Brush, brush, brush. Open the other fold, brush, brush, brush. Even by the clitoris area, sometimes in the clitoris area, your discharge and just sweat will get stuck in there. You have to open it up and you have to brush it. You have to brush it, honey. Brush it. Just brush it off. We're brushing our vagina, okay? Brush it. And I'm telling you, that's a way to ensure that your vagina is clean down there. Shaving. Okay? You have to shave down there to keep clean. I know a lot of people always want to talk about, you know, this whole, you know, I'm a natural person or whatever. Yeah, but you also will smell down there. Yes, you're natural, but down there will smell if you keep hair down there, okay? You need to shave it down. I'm not saying bald it off. If you are the type of person that do the whole Brazilian thing, kudos, more air to the skin down there. But if you don't really want to shave everything off completely, then at least just shave it down so that it can breathe a little. We want it to breathe. I am telling you today to wash your underwears with your hands. Wash them with your hands. Do not wash them in the machine. And the reason why I'm telling you this is when you wash your underwear with your other clothing or with your loads, chances are the soap is not really getting to scrub underneath the underwear well. So I'm going to show you. Washing this underwear in like a big load, this is going to get missing. Look, by the time you know it, your underwear is going to come out. Yes, it's soaked. You can smell some detergent in there, but is it clean? Probably not. I'm Ghanaian and we are taught to wash our underwears as we bathe, okay? You take a shower, you wash your underwear, you pre-wash it, okay? And get it all nice and clean, get the bottom, get this part nice and clean, and then you put it in the washer. That is safe because one, you've already pre-washed it and it's nice and clean, okay? So please, if you are not pre-washing your underwears in the shower as you bathe, then pile them up and hand wash them. And it's even better when you hand wash it because then you can use a milder soap, you know, the mild bar soap that is intended for your hands. It's not too strong because regular detergent, it's so strong. It's probably some of the reasons why people get UTIs and, you know, just go through a lot of like vagina irritation. Laundry detergent is too harsh for down there, okay? So, ching, 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 ching. Wash your underwears with your hands. Do not put them in your load to wash, especially if you want to get a really clean results, okay? So that's another tip that I wanted to show you. Now, remember I was telling you guys about these underwears. Like, these underwears should only be saved for, you know, bedroom actions, okay? You need to just save these for the bedroom because I'm telling you, it's 95% nylon. It's not breathable, 5% spandex. There is no cotton. The only cotton part is right at the bottom right here. I'm just sharing it just to let you guys know how to keep down there fresh. Okay, another. Now, this one right here, a lot of African men don't agree with this, especially when the female is outside and they're not wearing anything. But some people go commando. And you guys already know, commando is not wearing anything, okay? Now, I don't know if I'm brave enough to go outside without anything on, because you never know. What if I trip? What if something happens? And then I'm like out there. Like my little Nana is out there for the world to see. I probably wouldn't take that risk. When you're home though, when you're home, get yourself a nice house dress that's loose, and then go commando at home. Go commando because you want down there to breathe. You don't want it to be stuffed up. Like, it will catch a cold. Do you want your vagina to catch a cold? I don't want my vagina to catch a cold. Like, I want it to breathe so that, you know, it can smell fresh. So when you're going to bed, go commando. Okay? Go commando. You don't have to. Now, I heard the story of, you know, the angels not coming close to you to protect you. Yeah, I heard that story. I'm not going to tell you who told me that story. But, you know, I heard that when you go commando and you go to bed, angels will not come and protect you. Like, they can't come close. They will turn their back. I don't know how true that is. Leave a comment down below if you've heard that same story. So, yes, but right now we're talking vaginal health. Please go commando and let your nana breathe. Okay? Steaming. Can we steam our vaginas, please? Have you ever heard of that method? It's called yoni steaming. You need to steam your vagina. Ones, you know, you need the cotton ones. You need the cotton ones because your JJ needs to breathe. Let's help it breathe, okay? Steam your vagina, you guys. Steaming is good. I have tried steaming before. I went to Yoni Spa. Check out Yoni Spa. I'll leave her Instagram handles right over here so you guys can check her out if you're in Toronto, okay? She serves Toronto, Oshawa, and I believe also Scarborough. Well, Scarborough is Toronto. But in your area, wherever you at, please find Yoni Steamer to help you steam down there. Like, you want to help. You know, you want to try to make sure that your vaginal area, it's in the best health, okay? It goes through a lot. It goes through wearing all these clothing. It goes through vigorous plays, adult playing. It goes through childbirth. It goes through so much. So we just need to make sure that we're taking care of it. You steam with herbs that will help tighten down there, herbs that will help with your infertilities. I've heard so many stories about that. People steaming on a regular, and those that couldn't conceive, conceived. Okay, so if you're going through period cramps, steaming can also help you. So you need to check out a yoni steaming in your area. And if you're in Toronto, please check out Yoni Spa. She sells herbs that can also help you steam at home. Okay, she's also on YouTube. Check her out at her space for more details. Okay, another thing that I also wanted to add that's super important to our vaginal health is our diet, okay? Make sure you're drinking lots and lots of water. If you go to the washroom and you pee and your pee has color, okay? If the pee is really yellow, sometimes it's even so yellow that it looks like mustard, like turmeric, you are not drinking enough water. Get on with the water, okay? Keep drinking water till your pee is clear. Okay, and also what we eat. We have to be careful with what we eat. If you're taking in too much meat, red meat, make sure that you just have a balanced diet, okay? Of course, enjoy your greens, your broccolis, your fruits, okay? But stay away from the sweet fruits because you don't want your vagina to be a little, you know, watery. Udi too much candy, oto besuso. So you know what that means. If you know what that means, comment down below. So what that means is if you eat too much sweets, your vagina will be watery. It will be watery, like you just be discharging all over the place. You want it to be just at the right consistency. You want your discharge to be at the right consistency. Too much sweet will make your discharge super watery. Okay, so another thing too that I wanted to share with you guys is carrying wipes with you on the road, okay? Carrying wipes with you on the road is imperative. Toilet paper alone cannot do the job. So let's just say you're on the road and, you know, you need to go use the washroom. You can go do the boo-boo or you can go pee-pee. Either way, when you do either one and you're still on the road, just know that your vagina and your butt behind there ain't smelling good. If you do the swipe test, stink, okay? Let's just be real with ourselves. I'm a woman, so I know what I'm talking about. Everything that I'm talking about right now is facts. And no, you're not special, honey. Down there, your boo-boo and your vaggie will be smelling. Toilet paper can't help you, okay? So carrying baby wipes with you is good. Another thing, too, that you can also carry with you on the road is this squeezable cleansing bottle. I've had this bottle from when I gave birth to Olivia. I normally keep them, and it's so good. Not only right after when you have baby. It's also good to carry with you on the road. Use the washroom. Let's say if you pee, you could just put water in here, squirt, squirt, squirt. It will give you a nice clean finish. You went and did the doo-doo, you went and did the poo-poo. You can also spray this, psh, 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 and it will clean you out, okay? You wipe it with toilet paper, and you are as clean as a whistle. You'll be clean, okay? That's also very important to have with you. I mean, that's something that I do. I have this in my bathroom. I use that to clean myself, give me an extra clean, especially when I'm not jumping right into the shower. And you know what? Your husband will thank you. Okay, listen, don't be a wife and be nasty, okay? Just know that even though, you know, your partner won't complain, they will appreciate freshness down there. So for more of like an internal cleaning, I would suggest we do apple cider vinegar. We do pineapples. Pineapple is good for down there. It makes you taste great. Okay. Taste. My son is there listening. Okay, well, he's gonna know. You're gonna know later on anyways. But it helps you taste great. It helps you, oh, you've never tasted yourself? Come on now. Mommy. Okay, sorry. Well, you better taste yourself, okay? My son is listening. You better taste yourself. Okay, taste yourself. Just taste yourself. Make sure you're healthy. So pineapple will help you. Apple cider vinegar will help you. It will help neutralize the acid and, you know, not kill the good bacteria. It will help you balance everything out down there, okay? Now, I know that there's a lot of feminine washes out there. I don't know if we're still using Summer's Eve. Who's using Summer's Eve? Are you guys still using Summer's Eve? There's other great brands out there like the Honey Pot. And if you know other brands, other organic, natural brands for your hoo-ha, leave it down below and let me check them out, okay? But for now, like I said, I use baby soap for sensitive skin, and my toothbrush, and my little water, my cleansing bottle, okay? And my apple cider vinegar, oh, and my wipes. And then also I stay away from silk underwears, these little polyester, sexy underwears. We save that. So that's pretty much it when it comes to keeping your vagina clean and helping it smell good, okay? We want to make sure that our vagina smells good to us. You know, we don't want to go and offend anybody with our smell, okay? Because trust me, if you smell, we will smell you. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed it. You know, because I have a vagina, it was so much easier for me to just narrate everything to you guys, to just talk to you guys about it because I have a vagina. I have a vagina too. So if you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Support your girl, support this channel, share it on your platforms, and let's get the knowledge out there. Let's drop all this knowledge so people will know how to take care of themselves better. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. So until next time, keep brushing your vagina.